Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. To the devotees, a literature, a so-called literature, very nicely written, with decorated words, metaphorism and these things. Tad bhaga visarka, natat vachas chitrapadam, very nicely, literally very nicely decorated. Natat vachas chitrapadam, harere jasa na pragnita karichit. But there is no mention about Krishna and his glories. Just like, especially in the Western countries, you have got newspaper, big bunch of newspaper, but not a single line is there about Krishna. Not a single. So, for the devotees, this kind of literature is compared with the garbage. Tad bayasam tirtham, just like bayasam crows. The crows gather together where? Where everything nuisance thrown away. They gather together. You will find that is the nature among the class of bird. Where all nasty things are thrown away, the crows will gather. Then another bird, swans, they will not go there. The swans will gather in a very nice garden with clear water, lotus flower, and birds and singing. They will gather there. As there are by nature, there are different classes of animals. Even in the birds, beasts, the birds have the same feather, flock together. So where the crows go, the swans do not. And where the swans go, the crows have no access. Similarly, the Krishna consciousness movement is meant for the swans, not for the crows. So, try to remain swans, Rajahamsa or Paramhamsa. Hamsa means swan. Even if you have got this little place, don't go to the place of the crows, the so-called clubs, restaurant, brothel, dancing club. And people are, especially in the Western countries, they are very much busy with these places. But don't remain crow, become swans, simply by this process, chanting and hearing about Krishna. This is the process. To remain Paramahansa. Dharma projita kaitava atra nirmasrana. Dharma projita kaitava atra parama nirmasrana. This Bhagavad dharma, this Krishna consciousness is meant for parama nirmasrana. Masrata. Masrata means envy. I am envious of you, you are envious of me. This is material world. Just like so many envious persons are there in this quarter, simply lodging complaint against us. We have got good experience of this. So, the Bhagavad dharma is meant for parama nirmasarana. Masrata means one who cannot endure or can tolerate others' advancement. That is called masrata. That is the nature of everyone. Everyone is trying to advance more. The neighbor is envious. Oh, this man is going ahead. I could not. This is, even if he is brother, even if he is son, this is the nature of it. So therefore, this Bhagavad dharma is not meant for such persons who are envious. It is meant for the Parama Nirvasana, who has given up this envy or envious attitude, ultimate. How it is possible? It is possible only when you have learned how to love Krishna. Then it is possible. Then you will see that everyone is Krishna's part and parcel. So he is suffering for want of his Krishna consciousness. Let me speak something about him, about Krishna. Let me give some literature to him about Krishna, so that one day he will come to Krishna consciousness and become happy. This is Savanam Kirtanam, Smaranam process. We should ourselves also continuously hear from authoritative literature, person, and continuously go on chanting the same thing, repetition. That's all. Then everything will be happy atmosphere. Otherwise, the crows assembly in the garbage will continue and nobody will be happy. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,